Well, because the Security Council has two tasks. The first task is when the Security Council is taking resolutions, these resolutions will become then part of international law. And the resolutions are compulsory. On the second hand, Security Council is dealing with business matters, with political affairs, and then its members are taking their positions in respect of their respective interests. And the main thing that should happen is that Security Council must take its resolution on the base of international law. But when we see the Security Council members taking the resolution only to satisfy their state individual interests, then we go out from the duty to make application of international law. And therefore, we have failures, because Security Council is normally obliged to make application of international law in equal terms to everybody on the same ground, on the same level, and to have law be applicable to every party. We see, for instance, for the Israel case, that when the matter is regarding Israel, then members of the Security Council, they forget about international law, and this is why they are breaking international law itself. And this is why the recommendation that the world must do and to the Security Council is to recall to each member of the Security Council to make full application of international law. And the failure to make application of international law is a breach of international law. And members of the Security Council are also liable for breach of international law. And we should bring these matters before the International Court of Justice to make application of international law and to tell and to order the member states of the Security Council, and particularly the permanent members of the Security Council, that they have the duty to make application of international law. Without making application of international law, all international law will collapse. And the world is based on the application of international law, and the members of the Security Council are the guardians of the keepers of international law, and they must be the first to make application of international law to everybody, to every state, to every situation.
Right.
And there is a failure here.